Landing pages are one of the most effective tools in real estate marketing to capture new leads. Unlike your main website, a landing page is focused on one goal: getting visitors to take a specific action, such as requesting a home valuation or downloading a buyer's guide. Using BoldTrail's lead engine, you can create professional landing pages in minutes. In this BoldTrail short, you'll learn how to build a landing page using the lead generation template in the Legacy Landing Page Builder to help you turn online visitors into qualified leads for your business. Landing pages are a game changer for agents. Unlike a regular website page, they're built to capture leads, trigger automations, and instantly organize new contacts into the right filters. It's a smart, strategic way to make sure every new lead is optimized to convert and easy to find. Think of a landing page as a one-page website that can be used as a form to capture leads. And sharing that landing page is easier than ever using the Legacy Landing Page Builder. In this example, the landing page was auto-posted to this agent's social media page. When the user clicks on the photo in the post, they will be directed back to the actual landing page to sign up and register as directed in the agent's ad. Using a strong call to action is important, as that will drive engagement and more click-throughs to your landing page. Now, it's your turn. Use the step-by-step guide below this video to learn by building your own landing page. Try creating one that highlights a new listing or an open house, a price improvement, or a free resource like a buyer's guide or 10 ways to boost curb appeal before selling. Start driving more traffic back to your website today.